Stop. You're probably running wrong and wasting energy. Watch this. First mistake, bad posture. If you run like this, you lose power and kill your breathing. Most people sit all day, then run like that. Fix it. Stand tall, chest up, slight lean from your ankles. Think proud chest. Stay relaxed, not stiff. Second mistake, bad breathing. Short breaths equals you panic, you slow down, you quit early. Fix it. Breathe deep from your belly. Try this. Inhale for 3 steps. Exhale for 3 steps. Find your rhythm. Control the run. Don't let it control you. Third mistake, overstriding. Big steps look powerful, but you're actually breaking every step. That's why your legs feel heavy. Fix it. Shorter, quicker steps. Land under your body, stay light, almost silent. Now combine everything. Tall posture, deep breathing, quick steps. Feel the difference. Run like this for just 5 minutes, and you'll already feel stronger. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need motivation. You just need to start. Did you train today? Go. Right now. Even 5 minutes. This is UncleFit. Be proud of yourself. Subscribe for more.